Hi, this is Nancy with On Point TV. A little while back, I did a studio tour of my studio. I actually took you through Facebook Live and did, I think it was like 25 minutes of my studio, mainly because it was clean and I wanted to show it off. But one of the things that I showed in my studio was my brand new iron. This is the Easy Press from Cricut, and I just kind of glazed over it. I was like, oh, and there's my new Easy Press iron. And I had a couple of people comment, go, wait a minute, go back to that. What was that? What are you talking about? What's the Easy Press iron? This is the Easy Press iron. So I'm going to talk to you about a couple of the features. First of all, it has a temperature gauge. So I can make this go up to 160 degrees. That's hot, but not too hot for cotton fabric. It also has a timer. I can take the timer. I think I can go up to 45 to 60 seconds. I'm going to take this one back down to 30. Well, and you might be thinking, why do you need a timer? Because most students I teach, they don't iron long enough. I'll say you need to press that for 20 seconds and they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, done. Nope, this timer is going to make it so you can't mess up. So it's a large format. So if I flip this over, it is a 9-inch flat faceplate. No steam holes, just one flat hot iron. And it comes with this big silicone base so that you don't, burn your ironing table. So I'm going to show you how I use it for applique. So I'm going to move it over. So this is an applique design, and I'm just taking and just arranging some of these leaves in a pleasing manner. Right? And it's about 9 inches. Now, if I took my regular iron, I'd press over here, then I'd move it over here, then I'd move it over here, each time counting to 20 to 30 seconds. With the Easy Press, I'm just going to set it right on down. I'm going to hit the timer, and it is going to tick down the full 30 seconds. I can't rush this. There you go. Was that the longest 30 seconds ever? Everything is pressed. It's all evenly pressed all over. I could take from there and move to my next section. So that's the Cricut Easy Press. You should be able to find it in any of your good craft stores. If you like this tip, share it with your friends. Please like our videos. And if you have a question, just leave a comment on any of our YouTube videos and I'll get to your question in an Ask Nancy segment.